Student, welcome to class ninth physics. Today we study about force, effect of force, balanced and unbalanced forces. So, first is force. Force is an external effect which changes or tend to change the state of rest or motion of an object or change the direction or shape of an object. Its effect produced on a body cannot be seen but felt the judged accordingly due to force acting on them. Effect of force. A force can change the state of motion. A body can come in motion from its rest position or can move faster or slower. That is example. In the game of cricket or football, the ball can be moved constantly due to the force applied on the ball. Next effect is a force can change the direction of object. The direction of a moving or a stationary object can be changed by applying the force. Example, in the given in the game of volleyball or football, the direction of ball is changed when force is applied on it. Next is a force can change the shape or size of an object. When a force is applied on a body, it changes the shape or size of an object. Example is stretching a rubber band, compressing a piece of foam, etc. Balanced and unbalanced force. Forces are of two types, such as balanced force and unbalanced force, which are as given. Balanced force when the net effect produced by a number of force acting on a body is zero, and unbalanced force when the net effect produced by a number of force acting on a body is not zero. So, balanced force when the net force number of force acting on a body is zero, then the force are said to be balanced forces. Balanced forces can only bring a change in the shape of a body. A block of wood is placed on horizontal surface and two strings A and B are connected to it as shown is the given figure. The block is in state of rest. If we pull A and B string with equal magnitude of forces, then the block does not change its state of rest. Such type of force are known as balanced force. Balanced forces do not change the following function: the state of rest, the state of motion. In a tug of war, when both the teams apply similar force from both sides, rope does not move either side. Resultant force is zero, hence it is a balanced force. Next is unbalanced force. When the net effect produced by a number of force acting on a body is non-zero, then the forces are said to be unbalanced force. A boy want to relocate the refrigerator in his house as shown in the figure. So, today we study about force, effect of force, balanced force and unbalanced force. Next day we study remain part. That's